Hey guys, Carrie, I'm a sales agent at Colbert Place, and we just listed the model home for sale. It is a 3-story home, almost 2,400 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath with a huge media room, office, and traditional dining room, priced at $451. We are tucked away in Leland, North Carolina, just 5 minutes from downtown Wilmington. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek inside, and also know that we have $10,000 in the month of July to use as you choose, so you can buy down the rate or use that for closing costs. All right, so let's go on inside and check out this beauty.
Right inside is a large flex room, perfect for an office, toy, or craft room. Going down the foyer on the left is a traditional dining room with tray ceiling and crown molding. On the right is a hallway with a drop zone with a shiplap behind leading to the garage and a powder room. Going on into the open concept main living area on the left, you have a large, beautiful white and bright kitchen with large kitchen island and black leathered granite, an upgraded single basin sink, beautiful white backsplash, updated appliances, tiered cabinets with crown molding. Then you have your breakfast nook leading into the living room with a fireplace and floor to ceiling shiplap. Going outside to the outdoor oasis, you do have privacy and lots of greenery, a covered patio with a ceiling fan. Now going on inside, let's go on upstairs. Right at the top of the stairs is a spacious owner's suite with a completely upgraded owner's bath with tiled flooring, elongated tile shower with seat, large linen closet, a double sink vanity with quartz countertops, a private powder room, and a ginormous walk-in closet that could be its own room in and of itself. Going down the hallway is a large media room on the left, perfect for a kid's toy room, family movie night, an office, or even fitness equipment. It is a very multifunctional space. At the end of the hall here, you have 2 guest bedrooms, one with a walk-in closet, a very nice second full bath with double sink vanity, quartz countertops, and a bath and shower combo. This is the other large guest room with a nice sized closet, and then a beautiful, completely upgraded laundry room with beautiful tile, upper cabinets, a sink with quartz countertops, and extra storage space. And saving the best for last, this is the 3rd level unfinished 600 square foot space that is perfect for a play area, a pool table, keeping the ski equipment or the Christmas decorations, and then you can always finish it later to even add a bathroom and another bedroom. And that's the Findlay Coastal.